How do I request a refund for my Minecoins purchase?
Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss an important topic: how to request a refund for your Minecoins purchase. Minecoins are the currency used in the Minecraft marketplace to purchase skins, texture packs, maps, and more. But what if you've purchased Minecoins and need a refund? Let's break it down.
Can I get a refund?
Before starting the process, it's important to understand that the ability to get a refund for Minecoins varies depending on your purchase platform and regional laws. Generally, all sales are final. However, if you're facing issues like accidental purchases or unauthorized transactions, you might be eligible for a refund.
Understand the rules for refunds on your platform.
Each platform has its own set of rules and methods for requesting refunds. Microsoft Store. Follow Microsoft's refund process. You'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account, locate your purchase, and follow the steps to request a refund. Apple Store. You'll have to report a problem to Apple support. They handle refunds based on their policies. Google Play Store. Google has a refund process as well. Sign in to your Google account, locate your purchase, and follow the steps for a refund. Remember, approval is not guaranteed and is based on the refund policy of the respective platform.
Requesting the refund.
Once you understand the rules for your platform, follow the steps to request a refund. 1. Locate your purchase history. This can usually be found within the settings or account information area of the store. 2. Identify the Minecoins transaction. Find the specific transaction where you purchased Minecoins. 3. Request a refund. Follow the platform-specific instructions to request a refund. You may need to provide a reason for the request. Be sure to follow these steps as soon as possible, as most platforms have a time limit for refund requests. We hope this guide helped you understand how to request a refund for Minecoins. Remember, every platform has different policies and it's not always guaranteed that you will get a refund. But if you think there has been an error or an unauthorized purchase, it's definitely worth trying. Happy gaming!